Should you use JB Weld Quick Weld to repair cracks on your woodworking? Let's find out. 5-minute setup time. I'm going to give it longer than that. It says it cures in 1 hour. Okay, you can see it's got some pretty lengthy cracks on the backside. So you got to be pretty quick with this. You're going to want to mix this up in several small batches, depending on the size of your job. So there's small batch number 1. If anybody has tried this, JB Weld clearweld, drop a comment. Let everybody know what your experience was with this. There wasn't very much on YouTube. Honest Carpenter had a section, and he was fixing a chair. I paid $5.95 for this little kit. I picked up this piece of walnut from a older woodworker that he invited me over, and I bought several pieces of equipment from him. I did a short little 3-minute video on it. You should check it out. I got a Jessam router lift. I got 5 routers, a mortising machine, a router cabinet, let us know if you've ever used JB Weld, Clear Weld, for wood repairs on projects you've worked on. Drop us a comment. If you want to check out the tool haul that I mentioned earlier, right there is the link.